2006 Honda Civic. If you guys are getting no power in your car when you go into it, just start it. Get no power, absolutely no power. When you turn your key, only your hazard lights work. Just check these two fuses out. This one right here and this one right here, which goes right here. Both of those fuses. What's this, man?
Fucking knew it was one of those fucking plugs. I was looking at this bitch. That's one, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, if we want, I can go with you, or we can go in my car.
We can, if you want to get a brand new, we can go O'Reilly get it. You know.
How much are these motherfuckers?
That's why I don't know. That's why I don't know.